back to JENNY&G.
Hello guys.
So today we're going to make the most famous Roman pasta.
Which is, I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, better. Carbonara, guys. So Jenny, what do we need for a really authentic carbonara?
The most important thing is the cheese.
Exactly. We use only pecorino cheese. You can find also here in China, but don't use any other cheese, okay? Then,
What if they use other cheese in Italy?
they beat you really hard,
Careful.
especially in Rome. We Roman people are strange people. Then,
And this is the pancetta.
che è?
Pancetta.
Ma che pancetta? Pancetta, guys. Okay? To make the cream, we also put some black pepper
Yeah.
and salt.
And salt. And this is the
Olive oil later. Yes.
Okay.
The really important thing, guys, is we can make an amazing sauce only with egg. Don't put cream or milk or other things because it's not the real one. Okay?
And the most important thing is spaghetti. Do you remember? Because you can hit people. That's
We
it.
got it. So, guys, let's start to make.
This one is better than last one.
Yes, it doesn't break.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Can we start to make our carbonara?
Yes.
Okay, guys, let's
So
go.
now I'm going to put 4 eggs. We use 3 full eggs, and then 1 we just use the yellow part.
What?
Oh my god. It's just
You're improving
so
in
funny.
baking eggs, huh?
No, it's okay.
Okay, and
Got
this
this.
only the red. Right?
Ah! Only the yellow part.
Okay.
I forgot. I thought it's used the white part, but anyway, it's good. Everything is
Live,
my
guys.
control.
Okay.
So now after the egg, I'm going to put a 100-gram cheese. Pour
Pecorino cheese,
pecorino.
right? It's perfect. Look, guys, this is a perfect cream for carbonara.
Okay.
Now we're gonna start to cook. Let's go. Okay, guys, so now we prepare the pancetta. We just put some olive oil, not that much because we will use the fat of pancetta. We need to make it crispy. High fire. And what we always need to add?
Wine.
Wine.
After.
Okay. Okay, let's add some wine.
So here is the 500 grams spaghetti. Now I put in the water. I already put the 50 grams salt.
For 3 liters of water, right?
Yeah. So
Great.
I'm so hungry now. So as I said last time, you never trust the time of the package, okay? The cooking time. So now it's 9 minutes. I'm going to taste. It's amazing.
It's good?
It's good. Okay.
Okay, Jenny, our spaghetti are ready, and now we will stir fry it with the bacon. And only at the end, what we gonna add?
The egg.
The egg cream, right? Okay. And our carbonara is ready.
taste.
Our carbonara is ready and we can try it.
Pasta is always my enemy.
Super good. It reminds me of my hometown. What?
Don't talk the food in your mouth.
Okay, yes, sorry. Okay, guys. So this is the authentic recipe of a Roman spaghetti carbonara. And see you next time.
I'll see you next time. I'm Jenny. Bye bye.
I'm G. Bye bye, guys.